Texas 1
Oh,
Goliath is ready. Stealth chopper on standby.
puta.
XS-1 Goliath is landing. Enemy XS-1 Goliath is landing. Enemy down. Stealth chopper inbound.
Siya na yung Goliath ko. Ah, nasa kabila.
Keep on them. We're winning this one. Headshot!
Ang Goliath ko. Nakakuha ng Goliath ko. Galingan mo yan, ha? Kita ko.
Changing mag!
Panalo. Hoy, teka. Andiyan na pala kayo. Kailangan. Tapusin ko lang tong exit ko lang. Ito nilalaro ko.
Just another day. Good job.
Exit. Alright. So guys, hello. Welcome back once again dito sa Metropoler YouTube channel. And as you can see, naabutan nyo ako, naglalaro ako ng Call of Duty dito sa TCL 20 SE. This is a nice phone. Actually, visually entertaining siya. Crisp ang pakita ko. Very crisp ang image niya lumalabas ito because of the next vision technology dito sa TCL mobile device. Ganda. Actually, the next vision was released or unveiled last January sa CES 2021. Ayun. So, ito yung ginagamit ko ngayon pag naglalaro ako ng Call of Duty. Ayan. So, baba ko muna to, no? So, hi guys, I'm here to show you how to unbox and install the TP-Link Deco M5 mesh. Yan. So, ito siya guys. Yan. So, why do we need the broadband mesh? We need to kumbaga palakasin to make strong our Wi-Fi signal dito sa bahay. And one of the device that I think na mas makapagpalabas ng signal strength is the whole home mesh Wi-Fi TP-Link Deco M5. Yan, unit. It's just a one node, no? So it works as a router. It's an add-on unit and it is a Wi-Fi dead zone killer. So yun nga ang kinaganda dito. Actually, this one, if you're going to buy this as a separate unit or a separate device, it will cost you around 11 to 13,000 pesos for a 3 nodes TP-Link Deco M5. Pero this time around, I applied for an upgrade or an add-on sa aking Globe at Home postpaid plan dito sa bahay. So, I got this without spending or wala akong nilalabas kahit single peso. All I have to do is agree to the contract or pay a 300 add-on or additional fee for this unit for 24 months. Naka-lock in tayo dito or lock out, no? So this one I'm going to use for my everyday internet or Wi-Fi needs. Siyempre sa trabaho and sa play na rin like what I was doing earlier. So, eto lang guys, ito yung problema natin kadalasan. Hindi natin alam kung paano install. So, I'm going to take you sa how to install this Deco M5 TP-Link mesh para makatulong din sa iba na nahihirapan mag-install. Actually, ako din hindi ko pa rin alam kasi this is my first time that I'm going to install this mesh Wi-Fi. So, I totally recommend a mesh instead of the extender or booster extender, no? Bakit nga ba? Kasi yung booster extender parang it just repeats the signal. So, hindi siya ganun ka-effective unlike ng mesh nodes. So, tara, buksan na natin to. So, when you order sa Globe at Home, you will be given a, hindi naman umabot ng 30 days or 15 days when I ordered this sa Globe at Home website. And actually, I ordered 2 pieces. Yan. So, ito naka-sealed pa. Ito, tinanggal ko na. So, binisita ko na siya. Pero, just to give you a glimpse kung ano yung laman nitong Deco M5, I will show you. Okay? So, this one is a 1-unit Deco M5 whole home mesh Wi-Fi unit. Yan. Alright. So, tara, buksan na natin. So, at first, kasi nga naka-sealed siya, tanggalin mo muna yung plastic. So, after matanggal yung plastic, you will just have to open the box from here. And pull out another box sa loob. You have to do is pull out the another box inside this one, top box cover, and you'll have a white carton box filled with the unit. So guys, ito siya. This is the 1 unit of the TP-Link Deco M5 unit. Yan. So you got the parang it's a disc-like device. Ito na yung mesh nyo. Ito na yung mesh ko with the 2 slots for Ethernet and 1 for the plug-in for the power plug-in cable. So meron siya mga vents sa likod, as you can see. So maganda yung kanyang design. Circular disc na merong pa-angle dito. Yan. So it comes in color white. So open natin, silipin natin kung ano pa laman. So on top of that, yung top layer cover and this one. And of course, kasi nga, in-order ko siya sa Globe at Home, I got this parang contract or terms and condition from Globe at Home. So, ito yung description ng delivery order ko. Material description, tapos quantity and dealer name. Alright. Okay. So, terms and condition and dealer name. Next is the quick installation guide. This comes in different languages and how to install the unit. It also comes with a QR code and also the downloadable TP-Link Deco app. So yun pala, no? So they will recommend, it recommends you to download the TP-Link Deco app before you start using the Deco 5. So aside from that, we also have the power plug-in cable. Ayan, para magka-power, para we can turn it on. So, sasaksak siya dito sa likod. Yan. Tapos ito sa outlet. Near the Wi-Fi router. Yung initial natin na i-add dun sa router na mesh, na node, kailangan malapit sa Wi-Fi router. And also the Ethernet cable, the flat ones. Yan. And no more. Yan. So, balik muna natin itong mga lalagyan. Ito, if you have time, basahin yan. Kailangan lang naman natin for this quick installation are the things na nasa loob ng box ng Deco M5. So, all we need is the unit. All we need is the unit, the Deco M5 disc shape unit, the power plug, and the Ethernet. Alright, so kasunod nito, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano siya install. Punta tayo doon.